Wow. Last minute. Terra Classic coin has been given last minute. Terra Classic coin has been given just 3 months by some group of crypto investors, crypto experts, that if in 3 months, from now till the next 3 months, from now till October 2023, if Luna fails to find its way back, if Luna fails to bounce back, that they are going to experience huge mass pull out, that the current market cap we are seeing right now might drop up to half. Wow, that means it will not be up to $250 million market cap by October if they fails to improve. If Terra Classic fails to rise, to increase, to attract investors by the next 3 months, in the next 12 weeks, Terra Classic will experience huge mass pullout. And if eventually such thing happen, Luna is going to lose more value. Luna is going to drop more below the top 100. Luna will not attract huge investors into Terra Classic. So it will take Terra Classic just to get back to where they are right now, which is almost $500 million market cap. It will take Terra Classic almost 6 to 1 year in order just to come back to where they are before start talking about going up higher. Definitely, many people will not be waiting or having such patience for Terra Classic. So this is why even the community are concerned. Binance founder CZ is also concerned. Some top experts are concerned because Terra Classic has been designed in order to help a lot of people that lost money to recover their money and make some more money. That is why we have been pushing for the 1 cent. But if it's not coming forth, if it's not happening, definitely there is nothing anyone can do. It is part of investment. In investment, anything can happen. In business, anything can happen. Expect anything. This is why it's good for you to always invest in any business at all, be it in online or offline. No matter the nature of the business, try to invest something that you know you cannot afford. Invest something you know that you can afford to lose, but do not invest something you know you cannot afford to lose. That is just the strategy in every business. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.